Hi there, welcome to another STAEDTLER art session with Riaan. Who said drawing else is boring? Not if you use STAEDTLER's oil pastels. Let's get hooting away.
Once you have prepared your drawing, start with the lightest colors first. Try not to press too hard. Oil pastels work best if you build it up in layers. Draw in the direction of the feathers to make it look natural. Your reference of an owl and the colors might look different. Choose the next color that fits your reference image best. Here Riaan is using the peach colored pastel for the next stage. Riaan is using brown for the spots in the owl and then peach to make it a bit lighter, adding bits of orange for variation. There is some orange and brown around the owl's face. Riaan is using the peach color again, but this time to blend and soften the orange and browns. Riaan starts to add detail to the face with peach, brown and black. Remember to follow the direction of the feathers. Use the black very carefully. It is a strong color and will be hard to correct once it is on the paper. You will see that your pastels start to build up dirt. Remove this with a tissue paper by gently rolling the pastel on it. The white pastel is great for blending colors into each other. If you use the correct amount of pressure, it will blend without adding too much white to the colors you are blending. Riaan is using grey for majority of the owl's back and then uses peach pastels to blend the grey and white, creating warmer tones with this blending method. Then we need to give the owls its characteristic spots. Riaan is using various pigments to build a rich base for the wings color and then use the grey and pastels as blending sticks. After cleaning the white pastel, add the white spots by pressing and rolling the pastel rather hard. Hold the pastel close to the tip to prevent it from breaking. Do the same for the black spots. Riaan is using the light blue pastel to fill the sky's color and then the white to lighten and blend it smoothly. Thank you for joining us during the session. We hope you enjoyed it and we would love to see your artwork. Please share it with us on STAEDTLER social media platforms. See you in the next session.